Hello guys, so in this video we will gonna see WordPress default theme. So after installation how it look like that. So this is the hello world page. So this is the by default theme for the WordPress. You can, so when you install fresh installation, now after fresh installation you will get this hello world theme. You can change it anytime. So in this video I'll gonna show you what would be the first display page for you. So here it is, you can see. So when you log in your website you will get hello world page. So you can edit it and customize according to your requirement. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up.